y'all, making a quick video on this project I saw on Expedition Forum.com. This guy added a Ford Explorer steering wheel, heated steering wheel, in his 2017 Expedition, so I'm following suit. I got a 2016 Limited EL, and well, the wheel is already mounted. I made some modifications to the switches because if you follow the thread on the forum, you'll see where the guy explains how these switches were working in reverse, i.e. the next track was going right instead of left, and the push to talk button was doing the same thing. It was originally placed here, so I got creative and found somebody that could laser etch new icons on this for me. And then same thing here with the resume and cancel for the cruise control. Cancel was here at the bottom and it wasn't doing anything. So basically the Expedition wasn't recognizing that input. So it only recognized resume because on the Expedition, resume and cancel are exactly on the same spot. It's just one button. So modified that one. Other than that, the wheel looks pretty good. It's about 3/8 smaller in radius, not radius, in circumference. So all the way around 3/8. Not a very noticeable difference. So let's go over the wiring, or the placement of my wiring, should I say. So the module that you want to get is the BU5T. If you go with a DG9T, it's a newer version of the heated steering wheel module. It will not work. Believe me, I tried and I was having problems with this one. As soon as you turn the car on, the vehicle on, the wheel will turn on automatically. It'll turn on heat because it's sending some different kind of CAN bus messages. All right, just to keep it short here. So my wiring is here. As you can see, I got 3 splits. One is going to ground over here. There's an existing bolt. I found a nut and put that in there. So I got my ground, and then over here I got my MS scan and power. So power is the red wire. It's going all the way across behind the faceplate here, all the way to the fuse box, and I tapped into connector C220D pin 8. I went in there and spliced that in pin 8. That's a hot and start and run wire power source. And then the other 2 that I have here, that's MS scan. Added this connector as a quick disconnect. And then over here you can see I have 4 sets of, I got 2 sets of wires, 4 wires. I splice from the back of the OBD2 port. Sorry for the glare, but that's the best I can do right now. But yeah, I spliced from that and added this as a quick disconnect. So in the future, if I have another project where that requires HS1, I can slide my terminals in here. So this is your CAN bus going in, and last but not least, I have this wire, this section going up this channel all the way up here, and I'll try to tie this other video I have where the shroud is not mounted. But yeah, this is basically it. So this one going up the steering column, it goes up to the clock spring. All right, so I'll take a break here and I'll get it started just to demonstrate.